refusing to pay my workers' comp stuff, and I need surgery on my neck, my upper back, and below spine because it's encroaching in on my spinal cord. And I've told them, hey, you all need to pay up. You know, they need to do what they're supposed to do and what they were ordered by a court of law, and they're not doing it. So yeah, so they called you all. Okay, what's your name? Meadow. Yeah, I know. I remember you. But I appreciate you coming by. But yeah, that's a good one. That'll be on the report too for them. Thank you. Oh, jeez.
Thank you for calling Liberty Mutual. You have reached the Presidential Service Team at Liberty Mutual. Your call may be recorded to help ensure quality service. Your call will be answered in the order it was received. Administration, good morning.
Yeah, hi, good morning to you too. It's 10:07. This is Carol Roberts seeking the medical attention. I was awarded back in the 80s, and y'all are sitting on your ass and not providing it. So anyway, and then you end up sending the goddamn police. You fucking send the police. Yes, may I speak to someone in the news department?
Sure, hold on, please.
Thanks.
But, I go on the internet, I get the internet, I was a little late bloomer on the internet.
Yeah, hi. I had to call y'all because this is Carol Roberts here in Owensboro. And back August 20th of last year, y'all ended up doing a story on my going before the Labor and Industry Committee up at Frankfurt to talk to the labor and industry about the atrocities and abuse that's being perpetrated across the country, but in Kentucky for injured workers that are drawing disability, and have no medical care through the insurance industry. So I just got my MRIs back a few days ago, telling me I've got to have major back surgery. I've got bone encroaching upon my spinal cord, okay? And this damn insurance company that I've been calling and begging for my damn health care that they were court ordered to provide just sent a cop of all things will send a cop to my house because I'm calling them incessantly because my life is at risk. Okay? So they send a cop, and I'm sorry I'm getting upset right now because I haven't been. I've just been calling them at the home office in Boston, Massachusetts to talk to their CEO president, Kelly, who they are refusing to pay for the care and the relief of my workers' comp injuries. But they were ordered to do so by workers' comp court of law back in 1989 that was retroactive back to 85. And because I'm calling them, they portray themselves as caring people and send a law to my damn door to ask if I'm okay. I wasn't crying when I was talking to them on the phone. I'm pissed off because they put my life at risk. I want you all to let the public know how these insurance companies are killing, intentionally killing injured workers. I am the advocate for the state of Kentucky. I have a website that is set up for injured workers. I'm fixing to go national across the nation concerning injured disabled workers that are being hammered and, well, not hammered, but just totally left out. This is an epidemic that's across America that injured workers are being killed. They are committing suicide. They're going without wheelchairs and walkers and crutches that they need from these insurance companies just to survive on a daily basis. And these people sit and gloat. They laugh at you. They do everything they can, but there are which is what they took the mafia down with many years ago, as you probably know. But, you know, they're doing all these atrocities and the medical abuse and medical neglect. And
let me talk about this with our reporters. I know that today we're kind of snowed under on some things, but maybe it might be something we can do on down the road.
God, I hope so, sir.
Get your name again?
It's Carol Roberts.
And phone number?
270. I can talk about this because I've been forced to live it. I've learned the laws in the last 10 years. I've been practicing them, and I'm helping other injured workers. They're looking at me to help them get something, the justice that they so rightly deserve. And this is an epidemic, sir. There are thousands upon thousands of workers in the state of Kentucky that are all by themselves, and we can't get attorneys, see, because our attorneys were paid out of our settlements for disability benefits back when we had attorneys. And there's no funding there for us now. That's what I went to the Labor and Industry Committee to talk to them about this. And there is money if they would end up sanctioning these insurance companies that are committing crimes and not abiding by the worker comp laws or the insurance laws that is outside of the worker comp laws. And that daggone the worker claims and the insurance commissioner, Sharon State, are as crooked as the day is long. And I've got proof of all this. I don't sit here and just spew out stuff just to be talking. This is a travesty that is costing lives. It's tearing families apart. People that are killing themselves because they can't get relief and the care that they were awarded in a court of law. It's all trumped up. It's a joke.
The Presidential Service Team at Liberty Mutual. Your call may be recorded to help ensure quality service. Your call will be answered in the order it was received. Administration.
Yeah, you're all concerned with God, the law. I mean, the news media is going to eat that up. You know it? You using the law to intimidate my...
May be recorded to help ensure quality service. Your call will be answered in the order it was received. Administration.
Y'all need to take that message of quality care off of your answer machine because y'all suck at it.
Administration.
How does it make you feel to live and get a paycheck off of dead people?
Reach the Presidential Service Team at Liberty Mutual. Your call may be recorded to help ensure quality service. Your call will be answered in the order it was received. Administration.
Does your paycheck bleed when you pick it up, huh? Does it bleed with the workers' blood that's all over it that you fucking take and do and harass and abuse and stalk and everything else that you do to us?
Your call may be recorded to help ensure quality service. Your call will be answered in the order it was received. Administration.
You have blood on your hands, lady. You have blood on your hands. Yes, honey. This is Carol Roberts. I forgot to ask when I called earlier. What was that officer's name that came to my home that was sent here?
And what was your threat?
Okay.
Officer Meadows.
Meadows, that's it. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
What?
Good afternoon, Central Dispatch.
Yes, can I please talk to the desk sergeant? Yes, hi. This is Carol Roberts. Who am I speaking with, please?
Burnett.
Burnett?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. I'm calling in reference to a false report made to y'all, which ended up causing y'all to travel out here to my house for nothing. How do I file charges against the insurance company for having made such a false report?
What kind of report did they make?
Well, they made a call that, well, I don't know what was said because I'm not told what they had said until I get the police report, but that they apparently had concern for my well-being. So they sent you all an officer out here.
Did they tell you that when officer got there, they tell you it was from an insurance company?
Yes. Yes. Named them. Liberty Mutual Insurance, which is my workers' comp insurance company.
So it's basically you're just going there and check on you, make sure you're at home or something, or?
No, I had been calling them since about 8:30 this morning to try to get them to do and abide by the law to provide the medical care that I was awarded in a court of law, and they, I guess, got fed up with my calling them.
To answer your question on the false report incident, I mean, you have to call the county attorney.
Okay.
You have a number?
No, I don't.
About 685-8429.
Okay. 8429.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hush. Yes, hi. This is Carol Roberts, and I had a visit from the Owensboro Police Department, which a false report had been made by my workers' comp insurance company, and I want to file something against them for having made such a false report.
Against your workers' comp company?
Yes, ma'am. They're the ones that called the police department to have them come out here in all of their concern, although they're doing what they're doing to daggone near kill me and put me in my grave for the medical care that I'm in desperate need of. So they end up...
Police, had the police come out there, what they told the police you were doing?
They told, well, not that I was doing anything. They just called out the concern for me. They won't provide the surgeries I need, but then because I called them this morning and will continue calling them until they provide what they were court-ordered to provide me, then they ended up calling the Owensboro Police Department to have to come out here because they were so concerned about my health.
A welfare check kind of thing. They
What?
you're all right.
Yeah.
You're saying, okay.
Right.
Hold on just a second.
Okay.
Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. There's nothing that this office can do about that. Anybody
Police
can call the
department
police
said...
and someone sent out on a welfare check.
But ma'am, they're not concerned about my well-being, okay? Because they've not.
But they've done nothing wrong.
Yes, they have, in my view.
Well, maybe in your view, but not legally. They've not done anything wrong.
Well, they used the police department, ma'am, to come out here to harass me. They weren't concerned about my well-being. If they were, they would get off their duff and provide the emergency surgeries that I need to keep alive.
I understand that.
So...
They didn't break the law. They did nothing wrong by sending the police out there to check on you. Anybody can call the police. I mean, I can call the police and have...
Okay, so I can call Boston, Mass. and tell them to go up there to their building in Massachusetts to check on them because I'm concerned about their well-being.
Sure.
Correct? Okay. Well, I'll do that.
Call the police on that for that reason.
Well, that's ludicrous. That's a waste of manpower. Well, yeah, okay. So turnabout fair play. I'll do the same thing. Okay. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.